Emergency crews have been preparing for this storm so they can reach people who might need help, even when conditions make that very difficult. 13 on your side's Matt Groesser is live out on the weather deck. And Matt, what is the big focus as we head into tomorrow?
Well, Kirk, it all comes down to communication and collaboration with all this snowfall. It's going to be a rough couple of days for emergency crews, but they've got a few tricks up their sleeves to help save the day.
The community really needs to understand that this is a monumental effort by many, many people.
Kent County Emergency Management and Life EMS are just two organizations that are part of that effort.
We're still just kind of fine-tuning our prep and making sure we have things set to support our folks.
The big problem Life EMS is expecting is delayed response time.
Whether it's urban or rural, we know that it's going to not only take us a bit longer to get to the scene, but in packaging up the patient safely and getting them to the hospital.
But one way or another, and no matter where you are, they will find a way to help people in trouble.
We have a lot of great partnerships with fire department first response units that often have ORVs, snowmobiles, other kinds of access equipment to get to the patient so that we don't end up getting our ambulance halfway down a two-track and getting stuck.
Life EMS is adding extra crews this weekend across their 10-county area to make sure they're ready for a possible rise in emergency calls. They say we can all help first responders not become overwhelmed by not taking unnecessary risks.
If the public safety agencies are asking you, don't drive today, take that very seriously.
You could end up, having a problem. You may need to either reroute or you may get stuck.
Another thing you can do is know when to call 911 for help.
All those calls need to be reserved for emergencies only, life-threatening emergencies.
Now, if you do have some non-emergency needs like food, shelter, you need some necessities, you can call the United Way at 211. They've got that helpline to help you out. Reporting live on the weather deck, I'm Matt Groesser, 13 on your side.